You read in the tea leaves from the Manafort trial, and how do you think the White House is handling it? Because you and your colleagues have said some of the way the president's responded this week adds to the obstruction case against him.
That's correct, Ari, and thanks for your question. The walls are closing in on the president. Not only do you have a Manafort trial going on, you've got Cohen with the tape and him potentially flipping. You also have a separate state investigation into the Trump Foundation, which could lead to criminal tax fraud issues. So that's why we're seeing an increasing number of angry tweets by the president. And when he brazenly goes out and tells his attorney general to shut down the Mueller investigation, that's obstruction of justice. And just because he does it in full public view doesn't mean it's not obstruction.
Do you have any view as to why he did it that way? There's a theory that we've been reporting on that it looks incriminating, which is why even his own lawyers denied what it was. Oh, this wasn't an order when he said should stop now. But does he maybe know what Mueller has and is trying to sort of launder it and desensitize people to it by just doubling down on what any other president would see as obstruction? What Nixon said in private was not as bad as this.
I think the president just doesn't care what the law is. I think to him it doesn't matter if he publicly obstructs justice. And we saw this happen when he fired James Comey, then went on TV a few days later and said the one thing his attorneys would have told him never to say, which is he fired Comey because of the Russia investigation. I think the president just does not care, and that's why we need to hold him accountable, flip the House in November.